This is Bill. Bill is a contractor and really enjoys the benefits that contracting brings. Contracting allows Bill to have a challenging career that is flexible and diversified. He also gets to enjoy travel, make new friends and grow his network. However, being a contractor can have its downsides. A lot of Bill's time used to be taken up with timesheet recording, expense management, chasing late payment, organising insurances, invoicing and compliance, not to mention keeping up to date with tax and company regulations. Also, Bill was not maximising his valid tax deductions. Luckily, Bill found Encore Contractor Solutions. Encore are a global business services company providing safe, convenient and compliant structures for the professional contractor. Firstly, Encore arranged a compliant company structure for Bill, so he didn't have to worry about any reporting obligations. They also provided him with a secure login to the Encore portal, giving Bill 24/7 access to his timesheets, expenses, revenue and payslip reports. Encore helped him maximise his eligible expense claims, paid pre-tax, meaning Bill gets more money in his pocket. They also reduced the cost of his insurances and saved him money on bookkeeping and accounting fees. He now gets paid on time, every time. They also provided him with his own client service manager to help him with any questions or issues he may have with compliance, taxation, or insurances. Thanks to Encore, Bill can now focus on what he enjoys most about contracting, as well as having more time, less hassles, more take-home pay, and peace of mind. And if Bill ever decides to take his career to the UK, Encore's UK relocation arm, MyOE, can help him by visas and sponsorship advice, assistance with compliant company structures, assistance with national insurance and tax, finding the right recruitment agencies and ongoing job support. Encore has a wealth management arm that specialises in helping contractors like Bill grow their investments and protect their lifestyle. And Encore Legal Solutions can help Bill with any tricky legal questions he may have, making Bill one happy contractor. So, if you are a contractor who is looking to simplify your admin and improve your bottom line, or are thinking of moving into a contracting role, contact Encore Contractor Solutions today. www.encoreservices.com